discuss some important current affairs which are important for Prelims 2018. Sendai Framework, SENDAI, Sendai Framework. Sendai Framework is an international treaty that was approved by UN member states. In 2015, at Third World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction. Sendai Framework on Third World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction. The key word for Sendai Framework is disaster risk reduction, held at Sendai. Sendai Framework is a voluntary and non-binding treaty. It is a framework for 15 years. 2015 to 2030. It is a framework for 15 years from 2015 to 2030. It is a successor to Hyogo Framework. Hyogo Framework for Action, which has been the most encompassing international accord on disaster risk reduction. Sendai Framework is a successor to Hyogo Framework, which has been the most important international accord on disaster risk reduction. Government of India recently identified champion sectors, 12 champion sectors in services. The Union Cabinet approved the proposal of Department of Commerce to give focused attention to 12 identified champion services for their development. They include IT, Information Technology and IT Enabling Services, ITES, Tourism and Hospitality Services, Medical Value Travel, Transport and Logistics Services, Accounting and Finance Services, Audio Visual Services, Legal Services, Communication Services, Construction and Related Engineering Services, Environmental Services, Financial Services and Education Services. These are all the 12 services that are going to have special focus under champions, and Department of Commerce have recommended and Union Cabinet have approved to give special focus to these 12 services. Next, polymetallic nodules, POLYMETALLIC, polymetallic nodules. Polymetallic nodules, also called as manganese nodules. They are small potato-sized. Polymetallic nodules are small potato-sized lumps of minerals found in deep sea. They contain nickel, copper, cobalt, lead, cadmium, titanium, etc. in various proportions. And nickel, copper and cobalt have lot of economic significance. International Seabed Authority based in Kingston have given some rights, exclusive rights to India to explore polymetallic nodules from seabed of Central Indian Ocean Basin. International Seabed Authority located in Kingston have extended exclusive rights to India to explore polymetallic nodules from seabed of Central Indian Ocean Basin. Next, CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR space CAS9. CRISPR is a short form of clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. Short palindromic, PALINDROMIC, palindromic repeats. CRISPR is a gene editing tool that can remove, add or alter specific DNA. CRISPR is a gene editing tool that can remove, add or alter specific DNA. CRISPR is a collection of DNA sequences. CRISPR is a collection of DNA sequences that direct Cas9, which is a molecular scissor. Cas9 is a molecular scissor to cut and paste the DNA. Cas9 is a molecular scissor to cut and paste the DNA. CRISPR-Cas9 technology has potential. CRISPR-Cas9 technology has potential to revolutionize the treatment of blood diseases, tumors and other genetic diseases, And the TALEN, TALEN is a scissor used in this DNA editing. TALEN is also called as a scissor, TALEN. Next, neutrinos. Neutrinos, as you all know, in Theni district in Tamil Nadu, government planned to establish a neutrino observatory, and recently National Green Tribunal banned neutrino observatory. Neutrinos are electrically neutral and weakly interacting elementary subatomic particles with zero mass or little mass. There are three types of neutrinos: electron neutrinos, muon neutrinos, tau neutrinos. There are three types of neutrinos: electron neutrinos, muon neutrinos, tau neutrinos. After photons, neutrinos are the second most abundant particles in the world. Neutrino observatory is being established at Theni district, Bodhi Hills in Tamil Nadu. There we have magnetic iron calorimeter detector, but NGT issued a stay on this neutrino observatory. Recently we are observing Jallikattu issue, cockfight issue. We may get a question on various things here. The first thing, cockfight is famous in Andhra Pradesh, Kambala, Karnataka, KAMBALA, Bail Gadi Shariat, BAIL Bail, GADI Gadi Shariat, Maharashtra, Camel Race, Rajasthan, Bulbul Fight, Assam, Jallikattu, Tamil Nadu. Intangible cultural heritage. Kumbh Mela is now under UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List. Kumbh Mela is the 14th intangible cultural heritage from India to be listed under UNESCO. Kumbh Mela is held every third year at one of the 4 rotation cities, holy places: Haridwar, Allahabad, Nasik and Ujjain. That means Kumbh Mela will be held in one place in every third year, and rotationally in one place it will come for after every 12 years. Haridwar, Allahabad, Nasik and Ujjain. Ardha Kumbh Mela is held only at Haridwar and Allahabad.